Welcome homebakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another delicious kakanin, the Kalamay Ube. Kalamay Ube is a sticker rice cake here in the Philippines made of ube or the purple yam, gabe, the taro root, with a combination of glutinous rice flour, coconut milk, sugar, and butter. Topped with latik to make it more delicious and shiny. Okay, let's start. The ingredients are 600 grams of ube or the purple yam, 600 grams of taro root or the gabe, 3 cups of pure coconut milk, 3 cups of second extract, 1 cup of glutinous rice flour, 1 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, and ube flavor. For the latik, 1 cup of pure coconut milk and 1 cup of second extract of coconut. And we prepare the pan lined with banana leaf. Start. Boil the ube or the purple yam and the gabi, also known as taro root, until it is tender. Check the ube is soft. There. Then it's ready. We're going to peel our ube. Cut into pieces, small pieces. We're going to put this into the food processor to make it smooth and fine. This white. For the latik, we add the coconut milk. Stir occasionally until it curdles and the latik is separated from the oil. Just use moderate heat. Now this is ready. We're going to separate the latik from the oil. Set aside. Now we're going to use this food processor. So this will become fine and smooth. First, we start with gabi. Going to use this again for the ube. Then we're going to mix the second extract with sugar. And I'm going to cook this until it is thick. Then we're going to add the ube and the gabi. Lastly, add the butter. Okay, this is done. Sprinkle this Latik. Kalamay ube. We're going to let this cool first. There you have it, my kalamay ube. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you at my next episode. Enjoy!